In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify phone number quickly and easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on your profile icon or go to Settings to access your account details. Next, look for the Manage Account or Personal Information section where your contact details are stored. Here, you'll find your current phone number connected to your Shopify account. Click on Edit or Add Phone Number and enter your new phone number carefully. After entering the number, Shopify may ask you to verify it through a text message or verification code for security purposes. Enter the verification code if prompted and confirm the changes. Once completed, your Shopify phone number will be successfully updated. Keeping your phone number updated is important for account security, customer communication, and store verification notifications. Thanks for watching.